We are still working on law of cosine. We have this question. In a triangle ABC, find measure of angle A to the nearest tenth of a degree. A equals 6, side A equals 6, side B equals 3, and side C equals 4. So first, let's graph our triangle. The longest side is A, which is 6. Here is. And then C is a little bit shorter. Okay, will be here. Around. Yeah. And then B is the shortest one. Yes. Then we will group it. And this is our triangle that we work on. Close to be perfect. So side A equals 6. So write down your info first. A equals 6 and side C equals 4. Then side B equals 3. The angle that opposite to side A is A, capital letter, and this is C, and this is angle B. And this is my target. My target is to measure angle A, or to find the measurement of angle A. That's my target. So right away, we're going to write down the formula for the law of cosine, and we could use regular formula or angles formula, which is cosine A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Let's memorize again the formula. Here is, we could use A square equals B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A, and then solve it for cosine A later. Or you could right away write down cosine A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. That's what we did in this question. And now we're going to plug it in values. So B square, which is 3 square plus C square, which is 6 square, minus C square is 4 square. So 3 square plus 4 square minus A square is 6 square divided by 2 times B times C, 2 times 3 times 4. So cosine A equals 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 minus 36 divided by 2 times 3, 6 times 4 is 24. Simplify that. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 minus 36 is negative 11 over 24. That's cosine A, the ratio of cosine. We're looking for the angle A, so what we could do is to bring arc to cosine to both sides. So arc cosine here, arc cosine, and here is arc cosine. This will be cancelled, and then A left. So angle A equals arc cosine of negative 11 over 24. Let's calculate that. So arc cosine means, make sure, because I have seen a lot of work from students, they don't make sure that you are in degree system, and most of the work have done, the calculator was in radian mode. It should be in degrees mode, so make sure that you set it on degrees system and then calculate. So arc cosine, second cosine, then negative 11, not minus 11, negative 11 divided by, make sure negative 11. So clear arc cosine of negative 11, yes, divided by 24. Then measure of angle A is 117.3. Let's round it to tens, as you said. It's 117.3. 117.3 degrees. That's it.